CJRB knife. I really like this one. I want to just kind of show you, this is obviously the blue one. Really, really aggressive looking knife in my opinion. Extremely sharp. You can almost feel it like grab your skin. This is the clip here. So I'll show you the clip. It is reversible. Yep, it's reversible. And the one thing I will point out here with this knife is that this is a G10 plastic. I call it plastic. I don't know, G10's like, everyone uses this G10 word. Basically all it means is it's plastic. But there is a metal piece here. Now this is very important. If you're gonna carry a knife, this is a utility tool. This isn't just, you know, for show. Plastic isn't gonna be used to bash a window or anything like that. So this is nice that it's metal, because if you had to, and you were stuck in a car or something like that, and you wanted to bash out a window, you could do it with this metal. You wanna hit the bottom of the window, anywhere where basically it's not gonna flex, because that's the reason. If you hit in the middle, the window just basically absorbs it. But if you hit the edge, it can't absorb it and it cracks. So that's why I like to have in the metal. You have a lanyard hole here, easy flipper. It flips open really nice. Ball bearings basically will fall closed. Okay, really nice. I think it's a 3.5 inch blade. See that? That's not a cut from when I did, but it's wider than my palm. Remember as a kid, the rule was if it was wider than your palm, it was illegal. We believe some crazy things as kids. Ball bearings, beautiful knife. This is another thing I like to do when I first get a knife, is I look at the centering. So see the centering? And it's been good. I mean, I've had it for a couple months, no play. Big fan of knives. I like it.